Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Lopamudra Raut is an epitome of modern fashion, blending her bold, confident personality with the trends of contemporary fashion. As a former beauty queen, pageant winner, and a popular model, she has always been in the spotlight, not just for her talent and beauty, but also for her impeccable style. She has showcased a unique approach to modern fashion, embracing the fusion of traditional Indian wear with global trends, creating a versatile wardrobe that fits her dynamic lifestyle. Her fashion choices stand out for their ability to blend elegance, sensuality, and confidence effortlessly. One of the striking aspects of her modern fashion choices is her love for ethnic wear, but with a contemporary twist. She often opts for saris, lehengas, and salwar kameez, but with innovative cuts, contemporary fabrics, and striking embellishments. She's not afraid to experiment with colors, choosing everything from the classic red to muted pastels, always choosing hues that complement her skin tone and personality. What sets her apart is her ability to embrace traditional Indian silhouettes like the sari while giving them a modern edge by pairing them with sleek, minimalistic accessories or making bold fabric choices. Her saris, for example, may not just be the traditional silk, but instead might incorporate modern materials such as chiffon or georgette, with asymmetrical drapes or plunging necklines to make the look fresh and fashion-forward. When attending events or photo shoots, her modern fashion choices lean heavily on striking, contemporary silhouettes. She enjoys playing with structured and form-fitting outfits, such as jumpsuits, tailored suits, and bodycon dresses that reflect the modern woman's fierce attitude. Whether it's a sleek black leather jacket paired with a crisp white shirt or a chic mini dress for a night out, she knows how to combine comfort and class. Her approach to Western fashion, though, does not mean she abandons her cultural roots. She embraces the blend of East meets West, which has become a hallmark of her style. Whether it's a high-waisted pant paired with an embroidered kurti or a fitted blazer over a draped sari blouse, she manages to merge diverse fashion influences seamlessly. Accessories are a big part of her fashion choices as well. She keeps her jewelry minimal, but always elegant, choosing pieces that make a statement without overpowering her look. A pair of chandelier earrings, a delicate bracelet, or a chunky ring often complete her outfits, ensuring that her entire ensemble is balanced. She often opts for silver or gold-toned jewelry, and her preference for bold, statement-making accessories speaks to her confidence and love for sophisticated design. What sets her fashion choices apart is her ability to shift effortlessly between different types of attire. She's equally comfortable in glamorous evening gowns as she is in casual streetwear. For casual outings, she can be seen in well-fitted denim, simple t-shirts, and trendy sneakers, paired with a leather jacket for that cool, effortless vibe. In her everyday looks, she chooses to blend comfort with style. Whether it's a flowy bohemian dress or a simple tank top and denim combo, she keeps her style approachable while still maintaining an aura of chic sophistication. Her ability to dress down and still look stunning proves her fashion versatility. Another aspect of her fashion choices is her attention to detail. She is known for her meticulous selection of fabrics and how they interact with the body. She appreciates the art of tailoring, opting for clothing that fits her body perfectly and highlights her silhouette in a flattering way. From soft, draping fabrics that emphasize femininity to structured, more rigid materials that exude confidence, her wardrobe caters to all occasions. She understands the importance of fabric texture and how different materials can enhance a particular look. Silk for a luxurious, elegant evening look, or linen for a more relaxed, yet polished daytime outfit, these choices showcase her understanding of the nuances of fashion. Her modern fashion choices have certainly placed her at the forefront of contemporary fashion, especially for women who are looking to balance traditional influences with modern style. She is an advocate for breaking fashion boundaries, often blending styles and creating a fusion that represents the evolving nature of today's global fashion scene. One of the standout elements of her style is her commitment to sustainability, subtly encouraging others to invest in quality pieces rather than mindlessly following fleeting trends. She has embraced fashion that is not only chic but also mindful, opting for brands and designers that align with sustainable and ethical practices. Her fashion choices are often an embodiment of a balance between style, comfort, and social responsibility, making her a trendsetter in the true sense. She also plays with the concept of fashion-forward experimentation. For instance, she has been seen sporting contemporary trends such as oversized blazers, streetwear-inspired outfits, and athleisure, but always in a way that feels uniquely hers. She doesn't just wear the trends for the sake of following them. Instead, she reinterprets them to fit her own personality, offering a fresh perspective on how modern fashion can be worn. Her approach to oversized clothing, for example, is all about playing with proportions while keeping the look sleek and refined. Whether it's a boxy top paired with skinny jeans or a wide-leg pant balanced with a tailored jacket, Lopamudra knows how to balance comfort and sophistication in a way that feels both modern and timeless. Another notable facet of her style is how she frequently chooses versatile pieces that can be worn across different occasions. A single outfit, for example, might be styled in multiple ways, a dress that can go from a formal event with heels and a clutch, to a casual day out when paired with flats and minimal accessories. This approach to fashion is practical and highly relatable for modern women who are constantly on the go and seek pieces that offer multiple styling possibilities. This adaptability of her wardrobe speaks to the modern woman's need for flexibility and efficiency in her fashion choices. Her outfits are not just about looking good for a particular event, but about ensuring that she is prepared for anything life throws her way, all while maintaining a refined sense of style. She also knows how to use fashion to express her personality and create a connection with her audience. She often uses her outfits to tell a story or convey an emotion, whether it's the boldness of a deep red dress that exudes power, or the soft elegance of a white ensemble that speaks of grace and purity. Her Instagram and public appearances are perfect examples of how she uses fashion to share pieces of her life and style with the world. Whether it's through candid pictures of her daily life or curated looks for red carpet events, she's constantly showcasing her fashion evolution. Her experimentation with modern fashion is also seen in her choice of footwear. Her footwear game is never too loud or over the top, but it always complements her outfits in a way that is sleek and refined. She knows the importance of a good pair of shoes and often opts for statement heels that add an extra touch of glamour to her ensemble. From stiletto heels to block heels, from strappy sandals to pointed toe boots, Lopamudra knows how to use her shoes to elevate her overall look. She occasionally steps out in trendy sneakers, which complement her casual yet chic style, again highlighting her versatility and knack for blending comfort with sophistication. Her fashion choices also incorporate elements of global fashion trends, but she always finds ways to reinterpret them through an Indian lens. She effortlessly fuses international style with her own cultural heritage, a balance that many aspire to achieve but few do as well. From pairing a classic European trench coat with a colorful Indian dupatta to wearing a tailored Western-style suit with a traditional neckpiece, Lopamudra demonstrates how one can embrace the global nature of fashion while staying rooted in one's own cultural identity. This multicultural fusion is not only a reflection of her personal style but also speaks to the larger fashion movement where people are increasingly encouraged to embrace a global perspective while cherishing and honoring their cultural roots. Another key aspect of her modern fashion choices is how she confidently pushes the boundaries of traditional femininity. While she often wears traditionally feminine outfits like gowns and saris, she also embraces androgynous styles that are bold, sharp, and unafraid of breaking gender norms. Her sharp suits, for instance, are a nod to classic menswear but with a feminine twist, perfectly highlighting how women can reinvent traditionally male-dominated styles for themselves. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.